Okay, this is a controversial take. So my family has one of these, so I just bought one of these. I've used them for years and years and years, but this is my brand new one, so don't worry that I'm touching it. It hasn't been used yet. But like I said, we have multiple of these, and we use these a lot while camping. It's just easier. And I know it's a controversial thing because people would say if you're out camping, embrace the camping thing and just go crap in the woods. But for me, that is not wonderful. I don't like doing it. I like to be able to sit down for at least a couple of minutes in order to handle my business. And ladies in the family love this thing and would not go camping without it. So it folds down so that you can kind of take it with you. It has a bag also, and it also comes with these biodegradable bags. We don't really use these, but it does have them if you want to wrap the bag around the ring and then put the ring in here. Now all of your waste is going into the bag, and you can close up that bag, and the bag can be left in the woods. It is biodegradable. It is a degrading natural product bag that can just be left there. For me, I just use it like this, and then we have like Lysol sprays and wipes in order to make sure that it's clean. And then this one also has a holder for the toilet paper so that you don't have to set that on the ground, especially if it's in the morning or if it's wet or whatever. Very simple, easy to use, pops out. And now you have an actual seat, padded as well, to do your business in the woods in a much more comfortable way. So this is what my family uses, and I would definitely recommend it.